most important things to understand about water ionizers are the plates. Enagic uses solid titanium plates individually cut to size and then coated in platinum. And the SD501 has 7 of the largest plates in the industry. The plates are important because these plates are then charged with electricity, becoming the engine of the ionizer. When the water passes over the plates, the minerals in the water are separated into 2 streams of water, one alkaline and one acidic. The more plate surface area and the more power you can apply to the plates, the better the separation and the better the quality of the ionized water. Some metals are better electrical conductors than others, and some hold up to the abuse of electrolysis. While some manufacturers use stainless steel or white gold because they are less expensive, the most reputable companies use titanium and platinum. Titanium is used because it is a very dense metal and is a great conductor of electricity. Platinum is a great durable conductor of electricity, and it's applied on top of the titanium to keep the titanium from breaking down in water during electrolysis. Enagic's SD501 water ionizer has the ability to utilize the highest wattage in the industry. Everyone knows that if you want a brighter light, you use a higher wattage light bulb. With ionizers, the higher the wattage, the more it impacts the water. Enagic also uses a transformer for their power supply. A transformer is the most stable, effective, and time-tested form of electrical regulator available on the market today. But Enagic machines don't overheat because of their precision engineering and technology. Most other machines don't use transformers because they cannot handle the heat generated. Enagic uses solid titanium platinum plates. Their research has shown that solid plates are the most stable and time-tested method for creating ionized water. They don't use the mesh plates used by some manufacturers because of the long-term problems mesh plates pose. Mesh plates seem to make sense to someone who is uninformed on the subject of water ionization because it creates more surface area to come in contact with the water. The drawback is, when metal expands and contracts as it is heated and cooled, the mesh plates tend to break down, thus reducing the ability of the plates to produce alkaline ionized water for more than a few minutes at a time. These cracks also expose titanium to the water, which then creates potential health problems. Mesh plates are a way for a manufacturer to save money in production while having nothing to do with increasing the quality of the water. The plates are the engine of this machine. Obviously, you can produce a smaller engine for less money than a more powerful one. Another important factor in ionizing water is the amount of time the water comes in contact with the plates. The longer the water is exposed to the electricity in the electrolysis chamber, the more it is changed, resulting in higher ORP and pH values. As an example, if you run the water through a machine with small plates very slowly, you will get a higher pH value of water than if it runs at a faster flow rate, such as you would do when filling your glass to drink. If it runs through very quickly, the pH will be much lower. It is therefore important when comparing machines to make certain the flow rates are equal in the comparison. Water pressures vary from area to area and day to day. Enagic engineers have handled this by allowing you to regulate the volume of water flowing through your machine to suit the local conditions and pressures. They can do this because of the ability of these larger plates and the amount of power running through them. A flow regulator does not improve water quality, but in reality simply compensates for an inferior design and allowing the water more time to come in contact with the plates. Simple pH tests should be conducted when you install your machine and on a periodic basis to help you evaluate the best water pressure for your machine. All Enagic machines can produce between 1.2 and 2 gallons of Kangen water per minute. The Enagic SD501 is found in some health practices and doctors' offices in the U.S. Dr. Dave Carpenter